Hey y'all, today we're at Live Oak Landing in Freeport, Florida. This is another RVC Outdoor Destination, and they not only have RV sites, but they have cute cabins as well. They are dog friendly, and they're right on the water with direct access to the bay. So you can bring the boat, or you can rent a kayak and paddle around. And the resort is just minutes away from the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Now, before we get into the full tour, I do want to mention to you guys that as an RVC partner, they have given us a promo code to share with our followers to save 10% off of your stay. So if you're coming this way between now and March 30th, 2023, make sure you stay tuned to the end and save that 10%. Live Oak has 35 cabins, 66 RV sites, they have a pool, they have a playground, and much more. So let's get on into it. When you arrive on the property, the first thing you'll see is the office where you check in. This little blue building right here. Check-in process is super easy, and if you are late, they do have late arrival packages in the basket on the front porch. They don't have much of a store right now. They sell ice and firewood, but they have the best honey around. It's harvested on site and it's delicious. We're going to start the drive-through at number 1 on the map, which is their waterfront cottages. Now we're coming up on what is the pavilion/pool area. So they have the swimming pool, they have a small playground here, and then in this building is the washers and dryers, and they have the bathhouses here. And then they also have this indoor, this is an indoor kitchen area, which is really nice and, is available for guest use. Coming up here on the left, you'll see one of the handicap accessible cottages. On the right, we have a little bit of overflow parking, and then there is this gravel sidewalk that walks along the waterfront. There's also a couple of chairs over there with a fire pit. It's a great place to watch the sunset, and you can see they have dog stations throughout the park, which is really nice. Now we're coming up on the super cute little cottage that we stayed in for the weekend. Has everything you need, fully furnished, fully stocked with linens. All you've got to do is bring your food yourself, and you can even bring your fur baby. Okay, so this just takes us back up to the pool and pavilion area. So we're going to skip over this part. We're going to go back toward the front and check out the premium back ends for the under 30-foot rigs. Okay guys, as promised, here is your promo code to save 10% off of your stay at Live Oak Landing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you get to make your way down to Florida soon. It's beautiful this time of year. Thanks for watching, y'all.